I am Aaron Moulin. I'm a field application scientist based here in North America, in the Northeast, in the Boston area at Purolite and Ecolab Company.
I'm Johanna Howson. I'm a lead application scientist for Purolite based in Cardiff, UK. We run a lot of the lab work generating data to support Purolite products. We're at BioUS, and this week we are launching our new product, DuraCycle A50, our next generation protein A resin. This is for purification of antibody-based therapeutics. It has improved caustic and protease stability, very high capacity, good pressure flow, and improved lifetime, which means increased productivity for our customers.
One of the ways that we can help customers reduce cost of goods is by providing more productivity out of the resin. And DuraCycle is uniquely positioned to take advantage of our jetted resin technology, which provides improved mass transfer qualities, along with new longevity and durability in terms of ligand technology to improve performance and cost of goods and productivity.
Our jetting technology that we use for Jetted A50 and our high pH product and our new DuraCycle A50 product creates more uniform beads, more consistent batches of beads. So that really supports our customers in making sure that they have that good quality product with every single batch. So my colleague David Cartman and I presented kind of a launch presentation on the DuraCycle A50 product. So this is our new product. We talked through lots of data showing how it can improve our customers' processes, how it's got improved stability, high capacity, and a milder pH elution window.
All collaboration should be about trying to deliver some sort of solution. And with our unique collaborations with Repligen, we have offered 3 unique solutions to the bioprocessing resin market over the past 18 months. BioUS is a great conference for us, one of the key conferences of the year for us, to meet with customers, with partners, with other vendors, just to hear about trends, issues, solutions in bioprocessing.
Something I've really enjoyed about BioUS is the very obvious need for collaboration. We are having really good conversations with potential partners. And I think from the talks we're getting that there's a real need to continue this atmosphere of collaboration and make new partnerships within the industry to really drive forward the industry.